This is Angel, my waitress. I want you to tell me 2 reasons to eat here.
All right, well, we've got great, friendly waiters, helpful staff. They're going to be at your side all throughout the night, even if you don't want them there. And our food, we've got great food and drinks, great prices. Come out and see us, guys.
All right. I mean, we had an enjoyable time. I loved it. We're just like 3 places down and staying in a hotel right there. It's awesome. It's awesome. Y'all come visit. Y'all come see Angel. Ask for Angel and give her an extra tip from Papa, Texas. That's right. It's me. It's Papa. Papa, Texas. See ya.
What? Mahi.